Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sheikh Saifur Rahman and my partner is Abdul Abdul Hakim. We have implemented BUET Alumni portal for our CSE216 project. The core objective for this project is to minimize the communication gap among our respected alumni and current students. Let's start with a brief introduction to our ERD diagram. Here is the diagram of our project. There are 4 core modules of which I have implemented the user module and the event module, while my partner Zabir ibn Abdul Hakim has implemented the post module and the community module. Now I will be describing my part. In user module, there will be a profile for each of the alumni where they will have their contact information uh, and their field of interest with their work history, where they have been working or they have worked. In event module, we can organize different information related to different event held at BUET. Here is the home page of our BUET alumni portal. You can log in with your student ID and password. If you don't have an account, click sign up and provide some basic information and you will be registered. I have provided some basic information of my profile, and after clicking sign up button, I will be successfully registered and prompted to log in. After providing the login information and clicking the login button, I will be successfully logged in into my timeline. Here is our timeline, which is pretty much empty right now. Let's make it lively and beautiful. At first, we will add a profile picture. After adding a profile picture, we will head to edit profile section to do some advanced modification. Here, we can edit everything we have provided during our sign up, except the student ID. All the other fields are optional. We can add our department, hall, level, term, if we are currently enrolled, and MSc and PhD information if we are currently enrolled in any. We can provide our contact information here and also social media information here. Here we can provide a short description about ourselves. We can also add the topics we are interested in and also add our job history. Here I have filled up some of the information. After clicking the update profile, it will update my profile. Here we can see that we are currently at 22 and live at Dhaka, Bangladesh. That's just the information we have provided. After filling up the basic information, let's add some work history and interested topic. Head to edit profile, and in this table we can add our interested topic and work history. Click add new topic and a modal will appear where we can add the topics we are interested in. We have added 2 entry in our interest table. We can also delete by pressing this delete button. You can see database is deleted. Same goes for work history. We can see that we have successfully added a work history in our work history table. Now if we go to our timeline, we can see it has been added in our work history column. Now that our profile is ready, we might be interested in finding out some of our alumni or current students out there. Let's head to search. Here we can search our alumni or current students based on different criteria like name, department, institute, or current location, etc. Let's find out some of the people from CSE department. We can also use all the fields at the same time to filter out relevant information. So this will return the people from CSE department and who are currently at Dhaka. This will return the people from CSE department, Dhaka, and whose interested topic has a word machine learning. If we head into a profile, we'll see that here is the interested topic named machine learning here. This plus button, it indicates endorsement. We can endorse other alumni or current student if we think he or she is expert in this field. By clicking this, it adds 1 to this endorsement value.
Now I will be describing post module. If I post something here, anyone on the website can view and comment on that. We have 4 types of post: help, career, research, and job post. While writing a post, we have to first select any of the 4 types. The input fields will change according to the type. Say we want to make a job post. We will fill all the necessary data except one. If we try to post it, then we will get an error. After filling that field, we will be able to post it. Now, here's my post on the timeline. Each section of every post contains short description, time, number of comments, its type, and other stuffs. There is a button for post deletion only on the posts made by me. If I want to delete my post, I can do that. If we scroll down, we will see a next button. This current page only contains the first 5 posts ordered by time. If we try to put all text in one single page, then it will take a huge amount of time to load. If I click next, we will see next 5 posts. There is also a post filtering section. We can filter by text search and type of post. Now, I am trying to see only the job posts. Additionally, if we search the word work, it will only show us the post having the word work as a substring. The later filtering will take place on top of already filtered job post, meaning we can use these 2 types of filter independently and collaboratively. For demonstration, let's say I want to delete this post. If I do that, this post will be gone and the next one will pop up in its place. It's been a while I made this post. We can see there are 12 comments in this post. If we want to see a detailed version of this post, we can do that. Here, we can see all the information provided while making the post. At the bottom, there is a comment section. Let's make a comment on this post. Each comment section contains the text and the time. Like post section, there is a delete button on the comments made by me. This is our community module. At first, there are 2 horizontal scroll bars. First one contains the groups that I am not a member of, and the later one contains the group I am a member of. At the bottom, there is a post section which will contain the posts of those groups where I am a member of. This section has all the functionalities like the post module as I described earlier. Now say we want to join a group. If we go inside it, we won't be able to see anything but the basic information of this group. If we click join group, it will send a request to the admin of this group. If we want to cancel our join request, we can do that. After waiting a bit, our request got accepted and we can see everything happening inside this group. As now I'm a member of problem solving club, my homepage will contain their posts. Now let us see a detailed version of the group I am member of. If we go inside one, first we will see the descriptions and criteria of this group. Below that, there is a button for leaving the group if I want. After that, we can see the members list. At the bottom, there is a post section for this specific group. It has create post, filtering, and other common methods that I explained in the post module. If we go to detail post page, we can see the comments there. If we want to leave a group, say Travel Geeks of BUET, as we can see, it is now on my join groups list, and all the post of Travel Geeks of BUET has been removed from my general post section. Now, let's say we want to create a new community. We will click this button and fill all the data up. Now at home page, we will find my new group. At some point, there will be thousands of groups and we can just keep clicking next button to search our groups, right? For this problem, there is a section in which we can search a group by its name. If we search the name data here, it will only show us the groups having the word data in its name. As we have searched, it will update our home page and this community is newly formed and there is no post in that. Our home page is empty. Now, if we go inside a group, we will see there's not much happening. Let's wait for some time. Now we have some join request. One thing about community is that creator is the admin and he should check before accepting a join request. Say for Tahmid Tarek, if we go inside his profile, we will see machine learning as his interest. So he may be a suitable person for our data science community. After approving, he will be a member of this community. If we go into another account, we will see there's nothing much in his profile. So we will delete this join request. In community section, the admin has right to delete any post if he wants. We can see same goes for the comments. If admin prompts to delete a group, he will see a confirmation box. He can abort his operation if he changes his mind. Let's say we want to delete this group. After deletion, we can see that this group doesn't exist anymore. So this was everything from community module.
Okay, now as the last module of our project, I will be describing the event module. Let's head to events. We can find out the events that are currently held at BUET using this page. We can use raw search to type anything related to that event to find that event or name of the event, time period, or location of the event. Let's head into an event. We can see see the event name, the location of the event, time period, how many people joined this event, the organizer, and some details about the event. We can join this event by clicking this button. It will show that you have already joined this event. We can also create events using this page. Here we can type the event name, event location, when the event will start, when the event will end, and the description. It will create the event. It ends our event first.
We have used function for calculating age, number of members in a community, and number of posts made by member of a community. We have seen that every time component of our project maintains a special format. We have done that with a function. For all the tables having auto-generative sequential primary key, we did that task using a trigger. While we delete one of our interested topic, all the endorsement under that will be deleted through a trigger. We have cascaded trigger in case of community deletion. First, delete community will delete all its members from the members table. That will trigger the deletion of all entry of member community post relation table. The deletion of each row here will trigger the deletion of corresponding post information and the comment information, and deletion of post will trigger the deletion of information from its subsequent child tables. This ends our presentation. Thank you everyone.